Today I want to showcase this brand new product from ArrowZoom Acoustics. As you may know, ArrowZoom are a global brand specialising in affordable acoustic treatment and soundproofing solutions for homes, recording studios and commercial spaces. What ArrowZoom on this occasion have sent us is the ArrowZoom Soundproof Door Kit, KK1184 to be precise. Splendid. You get 20 pieces in total to cover one side of a door, or there's a 40-piece set that will also cover the reverse of the door too. They are indeed high-grade absorbent panels of mid to high frequencies, and with this pack you get clear instructions on installation with a QR code to help you along the way, which when scanned will take you to a video installation guide. Not only that, they have also provided a one-size-fits-all pair of safety gloves, a tape measure, a pencil and one roll of window insulation tape. To be honest, I think we're going to need a bit more, as we do intend to fully seal off both of these single pane door windows within our studio log cabin, as they do let too much external sound in and out actually, especially when we're doing those voiceovers. Each one of the panels measure 30 cm by 30 cm. They are just less of 1 cm thick, but before we get started, I've gone ahead and I've blacked out and tinted the door windows. Then using 3mm panel boarding, I've cut and sealed in place those boarding panels against the inner side of the window plane, just so to prevent a moisture buildup, for example if the soundproof panels were indeed placed against the glass. After 24 hours and letting that sealant dry, we are now ready to add the window seal roll, just for extra prevention of sound leakage, all the way around the inner side of the door window frame. This is where the tape measure came in handy. But we did eventually have to go out and buy an aftermarket sealant roll, as the one provided wasn't enough. So now all the sealant is in place. We're going to start at the top right hand corner of the door, unpeel the backing of the rear of the ArrowZoom acoustic panel. Should have really put gloves on here. The panels are indeed very sticky. It will be interesting though to see if these panels get affected by the heat, especially in summertime, as this cabin does get very warm indeed. I'll keep you all informed. Once started, we're going to make our way down. It is very easy to match each panel up really. And once we get down to the bottom and make our way back to the top and to the left, those panels will certainly need trimming. Now you can use the provided tape to measure each one of the panels correctly, but if you're confident and you want to save a bit of time, then simply align the panel to the left, position it so you can see where to make some insertions into the panel. Then after the insertions, place it down on a flat surface. You can use a ruler or flat edge panel of wood, like we've just done here, using a standing knife, not provided by the way. We can cut that little bit of excess panel off, remove that sticky back sheeting, and place the panel to the top left hand corner of the door. We're going to do the same for the rest of the panels. And because we have only sealed the back of the single pane door, I will note that if you're intending to do both sides of the door, you're going to need that 40-piece kit rather than this 20-piece kit. Saying that though, because we're only sealing up the window of the door, we do have a few panels left over, so we're going to make our way over to the right hand door and we're going to repeat the same process that we did with the first door. Now we did run out of tiles, but we are indeed going to order the 3 panels that we're missing. But this is an example of what the panels on the back of the window plane will now look like. Now I do usually do a recording test. But even to be totally truthful guys, I sincerely noticed an almost like blanket-like feeling around this whole area now those windows have been fully sealed. Those particular doors were indeed letting so much sound in, it was ridiculous, but because we built this studio log cabin over a year ago, it is now so refreshing to be stood here with effective sound reducing doors. Trust me, this will make a real difference to your studio. I mean, if I didn't really need daylight in here, I would be considering sealing up the windows, but we do need a bit of that daylight, otherwise we'll feel a bit claustrophobic. But you know, I might think about buying those ArrowZoom sound absorbing curtains. Yeah, they look very interesting. And another thing I will note is that ArrowZoom did provide us in the past with 5cm thick wall panels right next to our recording booth just here. These have been totally beneficial over the year, and if you want to check that video out, it's in the top right hand corner just now. But you know what, I'm more than happy today, as at first I was very skeptical of what the performance would be like with these particular panels. But these ArrowZoom door panels, they have a 0.85 NRC rating, a STC rating of between 25 to 30, and I would definitely 100% recommend them. They are a perfect alternative to expensive replacement SoundSeal studio doors, and again, in case I've not mentioned the price, for a 20 panel set it will set you back around about £80, and for a 40 panel set it will set you back £152. They are definitely of a very good quality, not those Chinese counterparts that you will find on certain Chinese websites. I'm not saying which, and depending on which month, ArrowZoom sometimes offer a 10% discount, so get going over to the website and check it out. In fact, what I'll do is drop a link in the video description down below. Take a look, and if you like what you've seen today, go get yours. If you've found this video interesting and it's helped you, why not click a like, share it wherever possible, but more importantly, support us on this tech review channel by subscribing, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now, speaking of uploads, if you want to check out the ArrowZoom acoustic wall panels, that video is showing on screen just now, and I'll also throw up another review from us momentarily. Yeah, there you go. But until next time, I'll catch you all in a bit. Peace.